Hi, my name is Nick with Albert Air Conditioning, and today we are looking at the new white Infinity Control thermostat. They just released this from the factory. We got it about a week ago, and it has all the same features as the black counterpart, which is also the Infinity thermostat. It came in black for years. Now it is in white again, has all the same great features. We installed this today and we started it up and everything is working great. And I just wanted to show everyone what it looks like. It's a very sleek design. Same as the black one. It's 5.5 inch width, 4.5 inch height. We did put a back plate on this one, as you can see, because it does, the old thermostat was a little larger. It was an older Honeywell. Has the room sensor right there on it, and all the same great features inside the thermostat as the old one. So I have another video explaining all the different features and what they do. You can check our website for more information. Thank you. My name is Nick with Albert Air, and if you have any more questions at all, you can contact us at 714-526-6368. Thank you.